The U.S. Supreme Court on Tuesday rejected President Donald Trump's audacious attempt to restrict birthright citizenship current term. The 6-3 birthright citizenship ruling marks a stinging defeat for Trump and his immigration crackdown. The justices upheld the lower court's decision that blocked Trump's executive order directing U.S. parent is an American citizen or legal permanent resident, also called a green card holder. Conservative Chief Justice John Roberts, who wrote the decision, said Trump's directive violates language in the U.S. Constitution's 14th Amendment that guarantees citizenship to virtually anyone born in the United States with a few narrow exceptions. Elora Mukherjee is a
Today's decision marks a striking rebuke against President Trump's executive order that purported to limit birthright citizenship. Now, every court in the United States has ruled against the president on this issue.
In another ruling on Tuesday, the court cleared the way for states to impose restrictions from female sports teams, a contentious issue enmeshed in the nation's culture wars. The Idaho and West Virginia laws designate sports teams at public schools, including universities, according to biological sex, and bar students have similar laws on the books. Dorian Coleman is a professor of law at Duke University.
It decided that states may restrict eligibility for girls and women's sport to biological females. It didn't decide that girls to participate in girls and women's sports, and those states will be allowed to continue to do that. The court made clear that that question remains outstanding, and everyone expects it to come to the Supreme Court in the foreseeable future.
The court decided 9-0 that the state laws do not violate the Title IX civil rights statute that bars discrimination in education on 6 conservative justices in the majority, in deciding that the measures also do not violate the Constitution's 14th Amendment guarantee of equal protection under the law. On campaign finance, the court struck down federal ruling comes as major Republican committees head toward the November midterm elections with a significant cash advantage over their Democratic counterparts. The court sided with Vice President J.D. Vance and other Republican chains with input from candidates, violated the U.S. Constitution's First Amendment protections against government abridgment of freedom of speech.